Hey, today I'm going to tell you about the best email marketing service. Having tested a huge number of programs in this category, I found the most effective one for myself. I have been making over $95,000 a year using this service and have been using it for 10 years now. It is a very versatile and highly effective assistant. In this short video, I'm going to reveal to you some very useful secrets that few people know about, but which make it truly the best in the category of email marketing services. It's about Aweber. I will leave the link to the official website under this video. Now, take a close look at the screen. I will show you everything with a clear example.
Aweber provides high-quality email marketing services, features, and resources for businesses of all sizes. With its full feature set, hundreds of templates, and a great mobile marketing feature, Aweber is really worth giving a try. Aweber truly strives to be the primary email marketing tool for small businesses and entrepreneurs. Rather than partnering with third-party companies, Aweber uses its own email delivery system, and the service appears to be constantly improving to stay competitive in the market. Even though Aweber was one of the first services to offer autoresponders, the technology is outdated. However, Aweber is constantly adding new features such as automation in an effort to beat the competition. In addition to notification emails, you can also send out a series of emails called campaigns on Aweber. The email marketing campaign builder is very easy to use. You just need to drag one of the options available to you from the left panel. You can create a simple autoresponder by combining message and waiting blocks. But more importantly, you also get access to several more advanced automation features. By clicking on a messages block, which you previously transferred to the constructor, you can insert into it a template of the letter that will be sent after the campaign is completed. When you click on this email block again, a panel with automation parameters will open on the right. One campaign can launch another when a tag is added to a subscriber. While this functionality is sufficient for small business owners, it is unlikely for an advanced email marketer to work effectively. Other email marketing tools have a broader set of triggers as well as conditional blocks. Functional split testing is a relatively new feature that does split testing to optimize your results. In the Messages section of your Control Panel menu, there is an easily visible Split Tests icon. Please note that testing can only be done for notification emails. Thanks to this feature, you will be able to understand what promotions of your subscribers should send a certain type of email. You can link the email templates you created to each segment before scheduling them to be sent. The split testing feature is somewhat limited compared to other email marketing tools that allow you to test a small portion of your list and then automatically send the best email to the rest of the list. However, you can test different approaches and choose the best one for your audience. Aweber's standard form templates are not very attractive, and as far as I know, they haven't changed in any way in the last 10 years. However, the form builder has been improved and gives you almost complete control over the appearance of the registration form. So with a little effort, you can create an attractive form for your site. Please note that you can only create embeddable forms. If you want to create a different type, such as a pop-up form, you will have to use a third-party tool such as Opt-in Monster. Aweber is easy to use. There are no hidden settings, and everything you need is in the top two menus. Forms, subscribers, reports are well-known concepts and do not need clarification. There are a few snags though. The Messages section of your account has everything from alert emails, split tests, to an email marketing campaign builder. While the campaign builder itself is simple and straightforward to use, you may need to spend a little time finding it. Plus, you can always see your live list at the top of your account. Each contact list you maintain is independent of the others. In principle, this is good enough, but you may forget to switch between lists and mistakenly create a form for the wrong contact list. Tags are an essential part of Aweber marketing. You can bind multiple tags to your followers manually or based on their activity. Thanks to tags, you will be able to send certain types of messages using alert emails or campaigns. You can also create advanced subscriber segments at any time based on tags, sales, behavior, and more. You can then focus on the segments, sending emails similar to their tags but with more precision. Aweber offers hundreds of email templates. Most of them are already outdated, but Aweber keeps adding new ones, so you always have a decent amount of attractive templates at your disposal. A distinctive feature that will make your life easier is the ability to quickly save templates. If you edit the email in the drag and drop editor, you can save it at any time as a new template. If you need many of the same emails, then just create a template and use it again and again in the future to save time. If you add an image block to your email template in the editor, you can either upload your own image or select it from the Aweber gallery. The gallery has over 6,500 free stock images that can be searched by keywords or categories. It will save you a lot of time if you regularly need to find photos for emails. Aweber currently has two types of reports, the classic old version and the new design version. The old version has many types of reports to choose from, but most of them are not very useful. The Aweber team seems to have realized this, so they only focused on the essentials when creating the new reporting interface. However, there are some useful old reports, such as those that track unsubscriptions, but they are not included in the new version of the reports at this time. But for now, you may have to switch between the two interfaces. Aweber's dashboard and analytics are attractive and easy to use. If you want to transfer data, you can only do it in CSV format. To do this, you need to click on a special button that contains each report. There are no customization options. You can simply view all the information that is present on the report page. This is a very simple function, but quite useful. Some email marketing services provide reports that improve the quality of emails, in most cases simply by determining the best time to send them. While the same can be done using AT master data, this method will not work for Aweber reporting. Of all that Aweber has to offer, I find the support that stands out the most from other email marketing tools. There is always help if you run into a technical problem or if you just want to learn more about effective email marketing. You can get technical support in three main ways: phone support during North American business hours, 24/7 online chat, support on requests. In addition, the service provides an extensive database and training materials on email marketing. Finally, there are regular online seminars on email marketing skills. All Aweber plans offer a 30-day free trial. While Aweber's pricing is slightly higher than other email marketing services, you get the full feature set in any paid plan. Considering the offered functionality, I can say that the prices of this platform are quite fair. The pricing policy is mainly focused on small listings, but can be increased as needed. You just need to get an individual quote if you need more resources. You can pay using credit card, debit card, checks, money transfers. Plus, you can get a discount by paying quarterly or yearly instead of monthly. You can easily delete your account. As you might have already guessed, in the billing settings of your account, there is a clearly visible Close My Account button. By clicking on it, you will see many pop-ups and pages and can delete your account. You will only need to contact support if you want to get your money back. For example, if you paid for a year in advance but want to cancel your subscription after a month. Aweber does not have a refund policy per se, so you will have to contact support to get your money back. Each refund request is handled on a case-by-case basis, but you don't have to worry about Aweber customer support, as good as it gets.